No, in just you have to plus or minus from the selling price and the cost price.
No
Okay.
multiplication division, right?
Multiplication division is not in your part right now.
Yeah, where
See
in
that you have
higher
purchased this many
grades.
goods and then you multiply it, then you subtract it, right? Directly the amount will be given to you, cost price and the selling price,
Yeah.
and you need to calculate the
Yeah. Okay,
profit
ma'am.
and
Thank
loss.
you.
Okay. So now those who have not given me your examples yesterday, Nishika is here. Nishika, I checked your examples and I'll revert back to you because there is little changes you need to do it, right? Is Nishika there in the
Okay, ma'am.
class?
Yes,
Nishika,
ma'am.
I am going to reply you on your mail. I have checked your examples. Okay,
Yes.
just check the mail after the
Okay.
class. So now those who have not given me example yesterday, their name will be called and they will give the example of profit and loss. Those who are done, they please be silent and don't ask for ma'am, ma'am, ma'am. Ma'am can see the names of the children and she can call the names. Arna is done yesterday. Anya is done. Arna, can you give me one example of profit? In which case you will earn profit?
Ma'am, if I buy the car of rupees 100 and then I sell it in 300, so there is 200 profit for me.
Okay, very good. Ashvi. Ashvi. Ashvi is there? Ashvi, please switch on your camera and talk to me. Anushka Choraria,
Yes, ma'am.
switch on your camera. Okay,
Ma'am,
good.
my camera is
Yes, yes, good. Anushka, now give me one example in which case you will earn loss.
ma'am, if I buy a toy of rupees 250 and I sell it in rupees 150, so I will get a loss of 100 rupees.
But can you repeat it? Actually, yes. Can you repeat this?
Yes, ma'am. I have buy a toy of rupees 250 and I sell it in 150 rupees. So it will be a loss of 100 rupees for me.
Very good. It will be a loss of 100 rupees. And this profit and loss apply on your things only. You are giving the just example. This apply everywhere, right? Those who buy and sell it at less price, then it's a loss. And if they buy and sell it at more price, then it is what? Tell me,
Profit.
switch, it's a
Profit.
profit.
Profit,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes. Now next, Anvi. Anvi was done yesterday. Arham. Arham means Devyosha. 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 Switch on your mic and camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you give me one example of profit? Devyosha.
I buy a book and it is of if I buy a book and it is of 100 rupees and I sell it in 200 rupees, I get a profit of 100 rupees.
Very good. Now next.
Ma'am,
Ayansh
I did
Jain.
not get chance.
Which child is this?
Ma'am, Vihan.
Vihan. I'm calling the name alphabetically. And your chance yesterday you already got. Next
Yes,
is
ma'am.
Aryaman Sanghai. Aryaman, can you give me one example of loss?
Yes, ma'am.
Ayansh,
Ma'am,
your turn will come after Aryaman Sanghai.
if I buy one ball of one of 50 rupees and I sell it in 40 rupees, I will get loss of 10 rupees.
Aryaman, please switch on your camera. Aryaman, switch on your camera. Aryaman, you
Yes,
can hear me.
ma'am.
Now repeat your example again.
If I buy a ball of 50 rupees and I sell it in 40 rupees, I will get loss of 10 rupees.
Very good. Next, Ayansh Jain, give me one example of loss.
Okay. Ma'am, I buy a bag of 100 rupees. I sell the bag of 50 rupees. I got the loss of 50 rupees.
Very good. Next, children, make some word problems also and add some names also, that Reema bought and sell it to Seema. This way also you can make, right? You can make the word problems. Daria, can you make one example with the word problem with the statement we can write so that
My internet is not coming.
I am calling everyone's name? Daria? Yes. Daria, instead of using I, you can use the names and make a word problem.
Arav bought a car from a wholesaler. Then he sold, ma'am, I have to tell him profit or loss.
Profit,
Profit or loss.
profit, profit.
So Arav sold, he bought a car of 600 rupees and he sold in 800. He sold to Ayansh in 800 rupees. So Arav has 200 rupees profit.
Very good. Now my next question is from Ayush Singhania got yesterday, Dhyan got yesterday, Dhyan Shillai. Can Dhyan, you are there in the class?
Ma'am, we left the meeting. We left the meeting when you said.
Ekansh, please switch on your camera.
Ma'am, he has got turn yesterday.
Ekansh, can you give me the example of loss? Vivan, I can understand and I can see who has given yesterday and who has not given yesterday. Yes, Ekansh.
If I bought a car of 2,165 and I sell it to Ayush in 1,235, it will be loss for me of 930 rupees.
930. Have you calculated?
Yes.
Okay. So now Rahil, give me one example of profit.
Ma'am, one day the Seema is going to one and he buy one hairband.
Seema is a girl, right?
Yes,
so she
ma'am.
buy.
She buy the hairband and uncle said
Shopkeeper said.
shopkeeper said that the hairbands
Can take any amount, any price.
100 rupees and
Okay.
Seema 100 rupees selling shopkeeper and Seema brought.
Seema
and
bought it at rupees 100, right?
you said profit or loss.
Profit.
And Seema brought means 90 rupees hairband and shopkeeper.
No, Seema
said,
bought at rupees 100, right?
yes,
and
ma'am.
then
And means shopkeeper Seema hairbands are 90 rupees and shopkeeper selling 100 rupees and profit.
how you know that it is 90 rupees?
Ma'am, profit is 19 rupees.
No, Rahil, correct it again. The cost, the Seema bought it for rupees 100,
100.
right?
Yes,
and
ma'am.
then she has to sell somebody, right?
Yes.
At what price?
And 100, ma'am.
She bought already on 100, and if she is selling at 100, then there is no profit and there is no loss. Same price, right?
When it is 200, it is profit.
Okay.
200.
If she is selling on 200,
Yes.
then how much is the profit?
Ma'am, 100.
Yes. So now I will ask with other children with the more examples. Now we will do today's topic, right? Now today's topic is when you know the selling price. For example, when you don't know, sorry, when you know the cost price and you know that there is a profit. For example, if I said I purchased this pouch. I purchased this pouch. The cost price of this pouch is 40 rupees. Right? I sell it to somebody, like I sell it to Yugbaria at profit of rupees 20. Again, I repeat my question. Please listen it carefully. The cost price of this pouch is 40 rupees. What is the cost price of this pouch? Can you please switch on your camera, everyone?
40 rupees, ma'am.
What is the cost of this price?
Ma'am, this pouch is of rupees 40.
This
and it
pouch
the
is
loss
of rupees 40. Yes?
Yes.
And
Yes, and
I
you
sell
said
it to somebody, I earn a profit of rupees 20. When profit and the cost price is given, so what is the selling price?
16 and
20 rupees.
How it is 20? How it is 20, Lakshya? Listen my question
Ma'am,
again.
it is 20 rupees.
Listen my question again carefully.
Well, ma'am, cost price.
The cost price of a pouch is 40 rupees and I earn a profit of rupees 20. What is the selling price?
Ma'am, 60.
Very good. 60. When cost price and the selling price is given, we need to add the cost price and we need to add the cost price and the profit, and we will get what? We will
Selling
get
price.
what?
Selling price.
Selling price. Now, wait. Now, Dhyan Dalal, give me one example of finding the selling price. You don't know the selling price, but you know the profit, you know the cost price.
Like this pencil is of 10 rupees and I know it is my profit.
No,
So-
tell me the separate profit, how much? If you are selling it, you are selling it at how much profit? 2 rupees, 3 rupees. You just only tell me the profit. Divan, wait a minute. No need to message children.
I'm selling it of 5 rupees and my profit is of 5 rupees.
Okay. So what is the selling price?
Uh, my selling price is
Ma'am, can I say?
15 rupees.
Your cost price is 10 rupees for this pencil. And your profit is 5 rupees. What you will do cost with the cost price and the profit?
Ma'am,
Wait a minute. No, ma'am. I will
Can
come
I
back
say?
to everyone. What you will do with the 5 rupees of profit and the cost price of rupees 10 plus. So what will be the selling price? Very good, children, if you know the answer. Yes, Dhyan?
15.
Very good. Now my next question is from Lakshya. Lakshya, this pouch is 4
मैम
rupees.
मैसेज नहीं आ रहा मैम मैसेज नहीं आ रहा है
Pouches rupees. Please switch off your microphone. Who is telling about the message?
Ma'am, Lakshya's mic is on and Trisha's.
Please keep your mic off. Lakshya, if I'm asking answer to from you, please
मैम
keep.
मैसेज मैसेज नहीं आ रहा है
Ma'am, this pouch is
Lakshya, wait a minute. Switch off your mic.
सेकंड
Lakshya, those who are sitting near to you, please tell them to go a little far from you. I'm getting their voice also here on this video. So can you please tell them to go a little far from you? Lakshya, can you hear me?
Yes,
Those who are sitting near to you, please tell them to go a little far from you. Now, Lakshya, switch on your mic. Lakshya, I'm waiting for you only. Switch on your mic and give me. You are moving somewhere else? Okay.
Yes, ma'am, my brother's class.
Okay, now, okay. So now, Lakshya, can you please tell me, I have purchased this pouch of rupees 20, right? And I get the profit of rupees 10 when I sell it. So what is the selling price? The cost price of this pouch is rupees 20. And the profit on this pouch is rupees 10. What is the selling price?
Selling price is 10.
How?
30.
Very good. What is the selling price?
30.
30. How, Lakshya, 30?
Because we minus 20
Minus or we will plus?
plus 20 plus 10 is equal to 30.
30. Very good. Now, my example from Arav Patel. This book is of rupees 260.
Yes.
This book is rupees 260. I got a profit of rupees 40. What is the selling price?
The selling price is 290.
I again repeat. The cost price of rupees 260. Okay, 260, right?
Lakshay, mic off.
Lakshya, please keep your mic off. Cost price of this book is 260.
Yes.
Profit on this book is 40 rupees. When I sell it to somebody, the profit is 40 rupees. What is the selling price?
Ma'am, the selling price is 300.
Excellent.
300.
300. So 260 plus 40 rupees. When we add the profit, we will get the selling price. Now, wait a minute. I'll tell the child name. Samriddhi, give me one example with the cost price and with the profit, and what will be the selling price.
Ma'am, what about test?
Okay, ma'am.
Test will be on Monday, Lakshya. It's there in the classroom, no?
Ma'am, can you tell me what I have to do?
Wait a minute. Keep your mics off.
Google Form. Ma'am, the test of
Yes, test will be in Google Form on Monday. And topics will be mentioned in the classroom today. That which topics are going to be covered in the first test. And I'm going to take the test of this chapter in 2 parts. First is on Monday, and the next will be, I will update you with the next new dates, right? Okay, so first part, what I'm going to cover in the first part, this topic is too lengthy, right? This chapter is having many subtopics. So the test of which topics are going to be covered tomorrow, on Monday, that I will mention today in the classroom. Fine? And prepare these topics for the test on Monday.
Okay, ma'am.
Keep your mics off.
Ma'am, can you repeat the topic?
Ma'am, can I tell
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, today you will send the Google form.
Today I will send the Google form on today's topic.
Ma'am, can you repeat the topic?
Topics I have not mentioned right now. I said I'll put in the classroom.
Ma'am,
Okay, ma'am.
so there will be 2 to 3 Ps on Monday.
Not on Monday. First part on Monday. Second part topics will be on the next updated date.
Okay, ma'am.
I will update you when the next part test I will take, right?
Ma'am, can I tell?
Okay. Yes, Samriddhi. Give me one example when you having a profit and the cost price, you don't have the selling price.
Okay. I had to tell selling price also, no ma'am?
Yes, after calculating.
Yeah. I bought a book of rupees 100 and sell it at
No,
rupees.
no. First tell the profit. You are aware about the profit and cost price right now. You don't know the selling price. So first take the cost price and the profit and then calculate the selling price.
First, we will take cost price
Yes. What is the cost price of that book?
100.
Okay. And what is the profit?
And I had take profit of 200.
Okay. What is the selling price?
Selling price is 300.
Good. Excellent. Now, Prisha, can you give me one example?
Yes, ma'am. I will give you an example.
Yes.
I buy a book. So
Take
Seema
more
buys a book
objects.
from
More
See,
objects. Take
Seema
different
buys a
objects.
book from 424, and she sells to Meena.
Can you repeat again because your voice is breaking? Can you repeat, my dear?
Seema buys a math book that the cost of that is rupees 428, and she sells to me, and she applies 200 rupees interest. Then
Here we
and
are not
Meena
learning interest, my dear. Profit. We use the word profit. Prisha, your voice is breaking.
Okay.
You are not
So
audible. Now speak.
Meena buys a book that is of 500 rupees. She applies profit 200 rupees. So Meena will get 400. So Meena can pay 5,200 rupees.
Prisha, I had heard little bit your answer, but can you please write in the chat box because you were not clearly audible to me. Okay, so whatever you have explained us right now, can you please write in the chat box? Okay, now next question is from Yugbaria. Yugbaria, can you explain this profit and cost price? If you have profit, you have cost price. So how you will calculate the selling price?
If I buy a toy garden 20 rupees and I sell it in 100 rupees.
No. Here you sell it at 100 means you are calculating directly the selling price.
Profit. 20 rupees profit.
You know the cost price that you have purchased is at rupees 20, right? Yes or no, Yugbaria?
Yes.
And you sell it at the profit of rupees 60. You have purchased, listen my question carefully. You have purchased it at 20. You are selling it at a profit of rupees 60. So what which is the selling price?
80.
Very good. Now we have done with the profit, right? How to calculate the selling price when we know the cost price of an object and the profit. Then what will happen with the loss? Suppose this pouch is getting older and now it is of no use. My cost price was, when I purchased this, it was 40 rupees. When, right, I have purchased it at rupees 40. But when I sell it to Lamha, I sell it at loss of rupees 10. I sell it at loss of rupees 10. So now what will be the selling price? Khevna, sit properly. Now we are learning about the loss.
Ma'am, 30 rupees.
Very good. What you have done, Samriddhi?
I had minus 40 minus 10. It is 30.
Have you understood? In case of profit, we add the profit in the cost price to calculate the selling price. In case of loss, we have to subtract the loss from the cost price and find the selling price. Am I clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes. Now I want to ask you more examples with the other children. Be ready. Everyone should be ready. I can call anyone's name. Parinika Jain.
Ma'am, I wrote the question. I wrote
I
the
will
question
check
in the
out.
chat
I will
box.
check out. Yes. Parinika,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
can you please explain us that in case of loss, what we will do? How we will calculate the selling price?
Yeah, ma'am.
Lakshya,
Ma'am?
my dear, the class ends at 10:50. Still 9 to 10 minutes or more. Yes, Parinika,
Ma'am?
can you please tell me?
I I brought a book of rupees 200, but I had a loss of rupees 50 because the book was actually 150, but he sold at me for 200. So I had
Okay.
a loss of 50 rupees.
A loss of?
50 rupees.
You had a loss of 50 rupees. You purchased it at rupees 240, and you have, when you sell it, you had a loss of rupees 50. So you had sell at what price?
200.
Very
No,
good.
150.
No, it's 200. You were right. Yes, 250 minus 50, we will get 200. So I want to read the Prisha's question first. Seema buys a book of rupees 450 and she apply 100 rupees profit to Meena when she had paid to it. So yes, the profit is the selling price is rupees 550. Yes, you are right, my dear. Very good. Cost price plus profit is equals to selling price. Excellent, children. She had mentioned in a detailed way. So now on the basis of this, how to find the selling price when cost price and profit is given, how to find the selling price when cost price and loss is given. So I'm going to show you the video on this. Please see it carefully. Wait a minute. Let
Curd,
this,
a loss
this should be
of
passed and then
4,618 selling price when profit is given. We
is
know
this video
selling
is
price
audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah, ma'am. It's clearly audible and visible.
Okay, thank you. Keep your mics off now, then only I'll play this video.
minus
Yes.
cost price is equal to profit. Therefore, selling price is equal to profit plus cost price. And cost
So you understood the formula how to find the selling price. Selling price is equals to profit plus selling price.
price is equal to selling price minus profit.
And the reverse of this, if we want to, if you don't know about the selling price, right? And you have, if you don't know about the cost price, that what is the cost of this? You have selling price and you have profit. So in that case, you will do just reverse to find the cost price. For example, if I have purchased this at if I have sell it at rupees 60, right? And the selling price is 60 and I had earned a profit of rupees 10. What is the cost price? So I will minus it. What was my basic price on this? So I will minus the profit from the selling price. I will get the cost price.
Now, let's see how to find the cost price or selling price when loss is given.
We have done the examples how to find the selling price. Here it is showing both. After the video, I will discuss how to find the cost price also.
Cost price minus selling price is equal to loss. Therefore, cost price is equal to loss plus selling price. And selling price is equal to cost price minus loss.
See, in case of finding the selling price, you have to subtract the loss from the cost price. And if you, in case of finding the cost price, you need to plus the loss in the selling price. And we will go in detail about this topic also. This is very interesting, why this is loss, why we are adding it, why we are subtracting it. Okay, I'll come up with, yes, with the examples now. Okay. Have you checked the formula? For the basic, these formulas, I'm going to send you this video on the classroom. Go through it. But we should understand what is the basic behind this, right? Lamha, can you explain me why are we adding the profit in the cost price to find the selling price?
Sorry, ma'am. Can you
Why
just
are
repeat it?
we adding the cost price? Why are we adding the profit in the cost price to get the selling price?
Why are we adding?
Yes.
Ma'am, may I give an example for it?
Yes, yes.
So, ma'am, a girl named Sita, she wants to buy an mobile. Okay.
Okay.
A girl named Sita, she has to buy the mobile. Ma'am, I know an example of how to find the selling price in profit.
Okay.
May I?
Yes, tell me. But why are we adding the profit in the selling price? Oh, in the cost price to get the selling price?
Yeah. Because
Who will give me the answer of this?
Ma'am,
Yes, Ayush.
ma'am, if you want to find the loss, means selling price for loss. Ma'am, you have the minus.
See, if you all give answer together, I cannot hear. I will come back to each and every child. Yes, Ayush. Why are we adding this profit in the cost price to get the selling price?
Ma'am, because price means cross price.
Ayush, come little closer to your mic.
Ma'am, cost price. So if a shopkeeper takes a thing through the wholesaler, honey, and he takes it for 50 rupees. The shopkeeper
Ayush,
takes it
your
to the
voice is
wholesaler.
not clear.
Ma'am,
I can see.
Which child is saying, Ashvi, can you please do these activities which you are doing right now after the class?
ma'am, now it's clear.
No, Ayush, you are not clear.
Can I tell?
Yes, Rudra. Ayush, you switch off your mic. You write you write your topic in the chat box. Yes, Rudra.
Ma'am, because the cost price plus profit, because profit is that we charge more rupees. So we add in cost price, so it will get the selling price.
Yes, and the selling price will increase after adding the profit, or it will decrease after adding the profit?
and it will increase.
Very good. Yes. So this way we have learned how to calculate. I'll repeat this on Monday also, right?
Ma'am,
We will continue it on Monday also. So this way we have learned how to calculate the selling price, how to calculate the selling price when the profit is given.
ma'am, can I tell an example?
Yes, Lama.
Yeah, ma'am. To find the
You have switched off your mic.
Ma'am, now it's clear.
ma'am, now it's clear.
Yes.
Yeah. So, ma'am, a girl named Meena, she bought a mobile phone for rupees 1,000.
Lakshya, what happened to you today? Reminding me again and again. Yes?
Yeah, ma'am. So it
Yes,
has.
Nisha, you can write in the chat box.
Yeah,
Okay, ma'am,
she-
I am leaving. Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, she has buying a mobile phone for 1,000 rupees.
Yes.
Okay. And now it is old. And
Rahil, Rahil, keep this.
So, ma'am, she gets the profit of rupees 500 rupees.
Okay.
Okay. So, ma'am, the selling price will be 1050 rupees, right?
1050. You have sell no 500 profit or a 50 rupees profit.
50 rupees.
Then it will be 1050 rupees the selling price.
Okay.
And in case, Derek, can you tell me what will be happen in the case of loss? How you will find the selling price?
Yeah, ma'am. Example, I bought
Dhere, you are not clearly audible and can please come near to the camera.
yeah. Now, ma'am.
Take this laptop or a mobile in your laps or in front of you so that you will be clear.
Now,
Yeah, now you are clear.
so ma'am, if one buy a toy and
Yes.
a book
Yes.
of the total is
Yes.
60 rupees. Okay.
Okay.
So 30 rupees is the toy car and another 30
Okay.
is
Yeah, I
the
understood. 30 rupees toy and 30 rupees book. So 2 objects a boy bought, right?
yeah.
That is of
Then
total 60 rupees.
Then he sell the car in 70 rupees and the book in 80 rupees.
Okay.
So
Different profit you are calculating. Yes.
yes, total. So no, ma'am. It means he sell that in he sell the toy car. It is of 60. He sell in
Okay.
30.
Okay.
Toy car is of 30. He sell in 20. And
Okay.
he sell the
So now you have to calculate the selling price of both the objects.
so then he sell the book in 10 rupees. So he has 30 rupees loss.
Okay. So you have given in both the way, right?
Yeah.
Both the objects. So
Yeah.
I am going. Yes.
I can't understand profit and loss in minus.
Okay. Selling price, calculating the selling price, right?
Yeah.
I will ask from you only the example. You give me the example, Samriddhi. You have given the profit how to find the selling price when the profit and cost price is given. Can you give me one example?
Of which loss, no?
Profit.
Profit.
Sorry, for selling price, for finding the selling price.
Of profit or loss?
If you have profit and cost price.
Okay. Sita bought a new mobile of
Yes.
rupees 100
Yes.
and she gifted to Meena for rupees.
Gifted. You will not use the word gift. If you are selling anything, then we will not use the gift because you are getting the money back. Gifted, when you give gift to anyone, you will not charge money.
Oh, sorry, ma'am. Then she gift to Meena for
Sell to Meena, right?
yes, sell to Meena for rupees 300.
At a profit of rupees, how much?
200. The profit
And
is 200.
200. And she has purchased at what price?
100.
Yes. So what is the selling price?
Ma'am, the selling price will be 300.
Yes. Now give me, if you have loss and selling price, give me one example.
Okay. If I have a magic game of rupees 1000
Yes.
and I give to my friend
Yes.
Sell to my friend of rupees 50. So how?
So, 1000 thing you cannot come up to the 50
Sorry, ma'am.
because this will be difficult way for you. Yes, my dear. Wait a minute. 1 minute. I'll come up with the Samriddhi and then you can leave the class.
So 500.
Yes.
What?
Then
will
what
be
is-
selling time? I can't understand that.
1000 rupees you have purchased and you got a loss when you sell it. You got a loss of rupees 500. So 1000 minus 500. What will be the selling price? 500. You got it now?
Yeah.
Okay, we are clear with the how to find the selling price when profit and loss is given.
Yes, ma'am.
And the cost price is given. I'll send you the Google form based on the same. You can leave the class. Thank you, children.
Bye bye.